Vande Mataram everyone. I'm here to share the exciting highlights of the month of May 2025. This month was filled with learning, creativity, celebrations and achievements. We began the month with an enlightening parenting workshop on 3rd and 4th of May. This workshop was conducted by renowned educationist Professor Marmar Mukhopadhyay. Parents gained valuable insights into building stronger bonds with children, nurturing emotional intelligence and guiding them towards holistic development. The 6th of May, creativity bloomed with an engaging illustration workshop for grade 6 to 12, conducted by expert mentor Miss Maninder Pal Rooprai. The workshop focused on the art of Zen doodling, a relaxing pattern-based art form that enhances focus and imagination. Students loved experimenting with intricate designs, creating masterpieces filled with details. The month also saw a test of knowledge and quick thinking from Lakshya exam for grade 6 to 8. Designed in the format of competitive examination, it gave students an early taste of problem solving, time management and logical thinking. It was an excellent stepping stone towards preparing for future challenges.
Vande Mataram. On the 9th of May, we celebrated Mother's Day with a heartful warmth. Parents of the primary wing joined the celebration, which began with a special morning assembly that highlights the importance of mothers. Students participated in an inter-house art competition, making wall hangers and cards as a love of token and gratitude for their mothers. A pride of moment for our school was the CBSE board examination results. The topper for grade 10th were Sanvi Parita Ishitapal, Aditi, Dipanshu Gupta, Harbeen Kaur, Anne Susan, Jasmine and Swaran Chokar. For grade 12th, Lakshit topped the science stream. George Abraham led in commerce, and Tejaswar Singh Chauhan excelled in humanities. Congratulations to all the achievers for their dedication and hard work. On the 15th of May, the Student Council election for session 2025 to 2026 took place with great enthusiasm. Students campaigned with creative slogans and speeches, and voting was conducted in a democratic manner. The excitement was palpable that everyone was awaiting the result.
Vande Mataram. The first parent-teacher meeting of the session was held on 17th of May 2025. It was a wonderful opportunity for parents and teachers to discuss the student progress, exchange feedback and share goals for the year ahead. It had strengthened the partnership between home and school. On the 19th of May, we welcomed our educators for the new session through the Teachers Induction Training. It focused on innovative techniques and classroom management strategies. It also focused on student-centric approach. It was a perfect start for the academic journey ahead. From the 20th to the 30th of May, our summer camp brought 10 days of fun, energy and skill building. Students explored art and craft, dance, music, cricket, football, skating and self-defense. It was a wonderful opportunity for them to enjoy these skills. The month concluded on a high note with the Jaipuria Cultural Fiesta on the 29th of May. It was hosted by the Gomtinagar campus in Lucknow, representing the rich heritage of Rajasthan by the theme Jaipuria Heart. Our students showcased vibrant colors, craft and the regal culture of the state. Their outstanding performance earned us the first runner-up position, filling our hearts with pride. That's all for the month of May 2025. It was a month filled with laurels, laughter and learning for the Jaipuria family. We hope for more upcoming achievements in the coming months. Thank you.